Yes.
Have a look at question number 15 of 15. Which king was married to Eleanor of Aquitaine? Henry I, Henry II, Richard I, Henry V.
I think it's Henry II. I saw her tomb, funnily enough, in France this summer.
What did it say on it?
Well,
That's
I
quite
hope
important.
it said that she was married to Henry II. I said I wasn't going to gamble when I came back, and I sort of can't resist it.
You've got £32,000 at the moment, you've got £500,000.
I did it at school for A levels, and I'm I'm trying to remember.
Take
It was
your
rather
time,
a
take as
long
long as
time
you
ago. I do think it's Henry II. I think it's Henry II.
It's up to you.
I'm going to say Henry II.
Final answer.
Yep. Final answer.
You've just won £1 million! You are amazing! £1 million!